And I need you to turn in a couple things for me, screenshots of your scene. This is smooth shade. What I need is smooth shade from the right view and the left view of your scene. So 2 screenshots. How do you do screenshots? Well, it's fairly easy. Another thing you can do, what I like to tell students, is go into expert modeling mode, and it gets rid of everything, all the junk in the scene. So you can just concentrate. Also, you want to get rid of the grid. You really don't want to show the grid. So let's turn that back on. So upper right hand corner, go back to general, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to show, and we want to, let's see here, render, show, panels, show all. And in our viewport, we're going to take out grid, which is right here at the kind of close to the bottom here. And that way the grid goes away, which is kind of nice. So we don't want to show that. I don't want to see that when I'm looking at your work. And just kind of rotate around in the scene. And to do a screenshot, let's go back to expert mode for expert, model expert. And you can see they got a nice view here. Okay. And so what I want to do is go down to type in your search and do S for snipping tool. Click on your snipping tool and go to mode, rectangular. Okay. And I want you to just kind of take a screenshot from one corner to the other. Don't worry if you get the cube in there and all that stuff, that's fine. And then go to file, save as, and I want to save it as a JPEG file, which shows up. Okay, but if it doesn't, just make sure you select it. And then type in your first name, your last name, and just call it like screenshot A or screenshot underscore 01. And that's going to be your screenshot for that. And then you're going to rotate. So you saved it, so close it. There we go. And then rotate around your scene to the other side like that. Okay. Something like that is fine. And do the screenshot again. S screenshot. And this time we'll do the same exact thing. Like that. Here we go. And file, save as. And this is how you'll do your screenshots. So you'll do your first name, underscore, just make sure you know where you're putting it, underscore, last name, underscore screenshot, and this time 02. Save. All right. And the next one I need is a wireframe unshaded. So we'll get back to what you have over here. Let's give me a nice screenshot here. And then we're going to do wireframe unshaded. What is that? That's this guy right here. I'm circling it. Okay, wireframe unshaded. If I click on that, I can see how you modeled stuff, which is cool. So I get to see your modeling. And you want to go back to screen or hit the S key, snipping tool. And highlight that area again and then continue with the screenshots. Save as. And let's see here. And you can see I found my Jeff Byer screenshot. So I can just click on that. I can do number 3 on that. Screenshot 3. Okay. And then rotate around. And I can do another screenshot. And do one more screenshot. And this will be our last one. So File, Save As, and then do a screenshot on this one as well. So this one I'm going to call Screenshot 4. Okay, that's it. Then you got all your screenshots saved, and now you're ready to go ahead and bring those in. So I'm going to bring this back to General. Okay, that's your scene, and then we're going to have to save it. So now we need to save it. So those are your screenshots that you're going to turn in. And then we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Export Selection. So we're going to save it as an MV file. So File, Save Scene As. This will be the MV file. And you can, I would put your, basically name it like this. Your first name, last name, and then say something like MOD01. That's good. Module 1. And then save it. Okay, that's you're going to turn that in. And then you want to go to File and Export All. And we want to have an FBX export. Okay, Export All. FBX is good. You just scroll down and name it whatever you want, and it should be your full name again. The same thing. And MOD 01. So I'm going to highlight this and copy this so I don't have to keep typing it out. So Control C. I'm going to export all FBX. Okay. And then I've got one more to do. File, export all. And this time I'm going to click on OBJ export. Okay. And now I just do Control V because I copied what I had before and export all. Perfect. Okay, fantastic. That's it. And then what you'll do is you'll create your folders on your desktop. You will find your MB file, your OBJ, and your FBX in your scenes folder. And your screenshots should be somewhere on in your computer, wherever you put them, wherever you copied them, or saved them. And then you put those in the screenshots folder. So the screenshots go in the screenshots folder. The MB, FBX, and OBJ goes into the scenes folder. And then you will make a main folder that you'll put those in. And then what you'll do is you'll zip that folder and upload it, submit it in the module 1. Okay. Well, thank you so much, guys. I hope you had fun. And the next module, we're going to show you how to texture, light, and render this scene, which will be a lot of fun. All right, I'll see you then. I'll see you guys in the next module. Great job. Again, you guys are doing great. And just keep up with it. Keep with it. Stick with it. And it's going to get easier and better as you learn how to move around in Maya and use the tools. Okay, I'll see you then.